Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Tesla Model X. We'll cover the various methods available, ensuring you can always access your vehicle with ease. First, we'll look at using your phone as a key, which offers a seamless experience. Then, we'll explore the versatile functions of the key fob, providing quick access to different parts of your car. Finally, we'll discuss the key card, a simple and effective backup. To use your phone as a key, simply ensure Bluetooth is active and the Tesla app is running in the background. As you approach the driver's side, the car will automatically unlock. For the key fob, a single press on the roof button, which looks like the car's top, will unlock all doors. This is perfect for when you're approaching with passengers or need quick access to the entire vehicle. The key fob offers more than just basic unlocking. A quick double-click on the roof button will pop open the front trunk, also known as the frunk, for easy storage access. To open the power liftgate, simply press the rear button on the key fob twice. If your phone or key fob isn't available, the key card is your reliable backup. Just tap it against the B-pillar, located between the front and rear doors, to unlock. In rare situations, you might need to use the mechanical key hidden inside your key fob. Slide the cover off the fob to reveal it, then insert it into the keyhole on the driver's door handle. For emergency exits from inside, pull the manual release lever located near the window controls. And speaking of upgrades, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making your home cleaning effortless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.